All right, today we're heading back to a place that we go to a fair few times, but the water's dropped a lot. We're out with a crew of us, and we're going to be trying out Paulie's viewfinder thing, so see if we can see some stuff in the water that we might have missed. Where you got? Oh, what a beauty!
Jelly beans right away.
First one of the day, Paulie.
Yeah.
Nicely done. Right now in Queensland, we've got the borders closed to get across to New South Wales, where all the best pickings is. So every rockhound and their dog is hitting this place up. So it's getting a little bit harder to find what we're looking for, but still a good day out in the creek. And we're gonna try this place and a couple of other places as well. Ooh. Out here we're looking for stuff in Rhyolite, Chalcedony Nodule. You can see a little bit there. Don't know what that's going to do on the other side, but it's just an example. So technically they're a Thunderegg. Yeah, not too bad. I'll hold on to it. Could be the best rock of the day. All right, let's try out this guy. The viewfinder, Paulie made him. Actually, there's a video that Paulie and I did together if you want to check out how to make this. It's still in its infancy. I've seen other people who have used these. But basically, it's just a PVC pipe and it's got some perspex on there. Try it out. Oh gosh. So this water's pretty easy to see anyway because it's not moving too fast. But the water's dropping a bit, so let's give it a try. Oh, it works. Oh, it's cool. What are you, friend? Nah. Ha! This is rad. Oh, what are you? Nah. Well, so far so good. Haven't found a rock, but who knows? We'll keep using this. I think the way I'm going to use it is sort of look at the water. If I see something of interest, put this in instead of sticking my hand in. Take a closer look. This periscope looking thingy, or reverse periscope, I don't know what you'll call it, viewfinder thingy for rockhounding, works perfectly, but the conditions today were great anyway. I could see through the water, it was clear and it wasn't running fast. We'll have to wait for another day, I reckon. Grasping at straws today, but it looks pretty. Yeah, look, we'll keep it. Not going to be able to do much with it. Some Chalcedony Nodule. Did you find one?
Very nice.
Yeah, nice.
Oh.
Paulie just found a little bit of Carnelian goodness.
That's a nice piece. It looks really clear inside.
Yeah.
Yeah. That
Doesn't look like it's just hanging around the edges either, man. Woohoo! Thanks, mate.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah. Chelsea got one.
Look at it.
That's been a while too, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Nicely done. All right, Chelsea, can you find me a big one though, please?
And,
I am not finding anything.
Yellow or blue or green.
Look at the bloop on this. Oh, bloop. That's a big old bloop.
It is.
Rhyolite. I think this is when you realise you're spoilt, where you haven't found anything for, what's it been, 2 hours? We found stuff.
So we haven't walked far.
Yeah, we haven't walked far. But we're both like, come on. I haven't seen it this picked out before.
No.
Beautiful. I think I found one, guys. Everyone walked over it.
No.
Yeah, it did, finally. It's only a clear whitey. There we go. We're heading back to the car. We're going to hit up another spot and cross our fingers. All right, so We're in a new spot, and I said to the guys it's a bit of a gamble, but I found something that's nice to have a look. This guy. Thunderegg. Yep. Oh, through to there. Okay, yeah. I got one.
Oh no.
Yeah. Beauty. Gosh, that feels good. That one's sitting just on top.
Dude, look at that. Ooh, and look at that.
Yep.
Little band through there.
It's a cutter.
Yeah, 100%. That's gonna be it.
Yeah.
Floaters.
Mm-hmm.
Feel that waxiness.
Yeah. It might be Flint or Jasper.
Oh,
Maybe.
could be Flint.
It's pretty
I
there.
really like it.
Yeah.
It's a keeper.
It's a keeper.
Yeah. My first one for the day.
Yeah, dude. You can see the Chalcedony coming through that one and the tip.
What is that?
A little bit of a Thunderegg.
Oh, dude.
I know, right?
We found the spot.
That's Rhyolite.
And then I turned it around and...
Oh, look at the Botryoidal bits in there.
Yeah.
I didn't think I'd ever say this, but there's something cool about not having very many rocks that you can find.
Oh, with the...
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, with all the little
that's
things.
beautiful.
That's sick.
Yeah.
Good eye, chaps.
That's unlocked.
You actually start to take notice of the rocks that you might not have usually looked at.
Yep,
Yeah.
big old Chalcedony in there.
Yeah.
We are on... This one's too big to take home.
That's pretty. I don't know if there's a rule. It's too big to take home.
I guess it's the ratio of the rock in the Chalcedony inside the rock.
Yeah.
That's sick. It's pretty. That's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
My first nice piece of Chalcedony for the day.
Nice, dude.
Yeah.
Very good, dude.
Nothing beats that.
It's a good feeling, isn't it?
It is, it is.
Don't get me wrong, it's always nice to have, but once you've had, sometimes not having can bring everything back into perspective. There are so many times we've filled bags with these types of Chalcedony, but I don't know if I've appreciated them just as much as I did that day.
Oh, look on the inside.
There. Yeah, boy.
Oh, we're all there. Oh, I saw Carnelian.
Oh.
Stop it.
What did I say yesterday? I don't have any of this. And I
Yeah,
actually dug
you
that out of
actually-
the wall.
Yeah. Look. Oh,
That is dark. That's nice.
yeah. That's beautiful.
So yes, I'm very happy today.
Yep.
I got that one. Nice.
But that's the reality of rockhounding. We might not have found as much as we normally do in the creeks, but that means someone else had. And it wasn't until editing this video that I realized we didn't get skunked. We had a great day, a genuinely great day. Thank you for watching, and when you're out there next feeling like you're getting skunked, don't forget to look up. The rocks are only one part of why we do this.